This is WSB-TV's Home Experts, Metro Atlanta's go-to home professional resource.
A lot of home projects can be DIY, but when it comes to fixing electrical issues in your home, you definitely need an experienced electrician. Here with us today are Steve Barber and Marcy Driver from Mr. Electric of Atlanta. Now, I know when I need an electrician, but is there anything I can do at home in case of an emergency before the electrician comes?
Yes, you should know where your main breaker is, so in a dire emergency, you could turn all the power off to your home for safety. Make sure your panel is labeled and learn where your GFI outlets are, and we'd be glad to show you all that anytime we come out to see you.
That's really great advice. And you know, in Georgia, it gets really cold, it gets really hot. So do the seasons affect the electricity?
Yes, in the heat of the summer, your HVAC units are running constantly, which puts a big strain on your electrical system, especially if your electrical system is old or outdated. And then in the wintertime, you've got the dreaded squirrels heading into your attic to stay warm.
How often do we need to get our house checked by an electrician?
It's a great idea to have someone come out and check your home at least twice a year.
Okay.
That's the reason why we offer a great Advantage plan, which gives you the free inspection. It gives you the discounts that you may be looking for, and it gives you that peace of mind that you need.
If I have an electrician come out to fix a fan, you guys can go ahead and check the system too?
Absolutely. Anytime we're in your home, we'll give you a safety check too.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for joining us. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
WSB-TV's Home Experts have the answers. Call today to take advantage of this great offer from Mr. Electric. Visit WSB-TV.com/home experts for more exclusive offers and tips from our home experts.